This digital gauge acts like a reliable guide. It shows your AC system's pressure. It is specifically for low pressure readings. This makes air conditioning repair easier. The TOPINCN Refrigerant Pressure Tool feels quite sturdy. Also, it is simple to operate. Many find it very intuitive. Indeed, even new users understand it quickly. You connect it effortlessly. Then, the numbers clearly appear. Therefore, diagnosing issues becomes straightforward. It is a helpful gadget. Moreover, this tool is vital for refrigeration. It shows precise pressure readings. This prevents common mistakes. You can adjust your system accurately. Furthermore, the manifold design is smart. It allows for multiple connections. This streamlines the whole process. Overall, it works like a true detective. It helps pinpoint problems fast, thus, your AC gets fixed sooner. The TOPINCN Refrigerant Pressure Tool is very reliable. Its digital display is crisp and clear. Finally, this gadget is a wise investment. It helps maintain your AC unit. You can prevent costly repairs. It is a small but powerful device. Similarly, it protects your system. Therefore, your home stays cool and comfortable. This tool offers great value. It is essential for any technician. Also, DIY enthusiasts will love it. The TOPINCN Refrigerant Pressure Tool simplifies complex tasks. It makes AC servicing accessible for all. Pros: digital pressure gauge, low pressure, refrigerant tool, manifolds refrigeration repair. Pressure gauges, in stock, imported from USA store, price drop 4.6 rating, fastest. Cross-border delivery features. Digital pressure display, low pressure measurement, AC refrigerant tool, manifold gauge set. Refrigeration repair, built-in pressure gauges, easy-to-read display, durable construction. Accurate readings. For AC systems, this digital tool helps you check the pressure in your air conditioner. It shows you the low pressure readings on an easy-to-read screen. It's built tough for refrigeration repair and gives accurate measurements for AC systems. This digital pressure gauge, called the TOPINCN Air Conditioning Refrigerant Tool, helps fix air conditioners and refrigerators. It measures low pressure and is easy to use. You can get it quickly because it's in stock and ships fast from a US store. And its price has dropped. It has a good rating of 4.6 stars.